Hey guys, I'm Desikan and in today's video I'm going to be talking about amazing products under rupees 500. So I've been doing a lot of like makeup, lipstick videos and everything. So I wanted to include something that I always wanted to talk to you guys about, like in the miscellaneous category, and just generally share my opinion about these products with you guys. So most of these are under 500. I think just one product exceeds that 500 rupees mark, but you can still find it on discount and it's an amazing product. So let's get started. The first one we're going to be talking about, which I am really happy I got this one. This one is the Miniso storage organizer. So this is for 250 rupees when I got it, but right now the price has increased. But I am hoping that I can find this on discount again and pick up more products from this particular brand, because I really love the Miniso organizers. I will insert a picture of how this one looks, as well as how I've organized my makeup, like on my drawer and the drawers behind right here, and on my table right here as well. So this I really like, and I think like if you wanted to organize your stationery, if you wanted to organize your makeup in general, you would really like it. They have mentioned this to be a kitchen organizer as well, but it's too delicate for like the kitchen items, so I'm not sure if that would work that well, you know. And then we're going to be talking about something else that I hauled recently, and this one is the Plum Illuminating Smooth Frost Mask. So this one retails for, I'm not sure, the prices are not mentioned on this bottle right here, but I think it was for 495 rupees, and this is such a nice mask to layer on. It's very subtle and it adds a slight glow as well. It's a really nice mask. It does contain a slight sort of like a rose kind of a fragrance. It does mention that it is free of artificial fragrance, but I can get a subtle fragrance to it, and this is the consistency of it. It is a little bit like very the urge to itch my nose. This is the consistency of it. It's very lightweight. I really like this. And look at the jar, look at the size of it, and you get a lot of product. You get 100 grams of product, which is a really nice quantity for the price. And then I went ahead with my usual moisturizer, which is also there in today's video, because every single time I get asked, like, I have really dry skin, I have sensitive skin, or I have oily skin, but the oily moisturizers are too like gel-like, it's not working for my skin type. What moisturizer would you recommend? And this is the one I would definitely recommend. This one is the Bioderma Autoderm cream, and this one is for 599, and you get 200 ml of product. I recently did do a sponsorship video with them, not recently, I think in the month of August, and ever since I discovered this product, I have repurchased this about 3 times. That's how much I love this. I have like this much of this product left, so I've kept it in my beauty room. I also have one in my bathroom. I've got one for my mother-in-law, one for my mom, because all of them have pretty much like normal to dry skin, and they want the moisturizer to be really hydrating on the skin. So this is really nice. It's free of any artificial fragrance, and they have been catering to like really good skincare products at affordable price range, and I feel like a lot of you guys would really love this particular product. They do have another variant of this. I'm not very sure what it's called, but I prefer this one. I might try that out later sometime, but this is working really well for me, so I don't find the need to use something else as well. So sometimes I do use this on my body, like if I'm too lazy to use a body lotion, I do use this one on my body as well. It's such a good moisturizer. This is what I have underneath my foundation today. So the product I have used on my face right now is Glowish by Huda Beauty. It's their multi-dew skin tint. I got this recently from the Sephora sale, Sephora India sale, and it was for a pretty good price, so that's the reason I picked this one up. I got this one in the shade medium tan. I like my base products to be a little bit more warmer, because if I had got the shade medium, I think it would have looked a little bit too neutral. It happens to me with most Huda Beauty products, and that tends to look a little bit ashy around my mouth and all of that. I have lipstick on my teeth all this while. Great. Anyways, let's excuse that. Okay, let's move on to the next product that we have. So right here I have some body product as well, and I must say Plum as a brand has been really coming out with very good launches, and I've been impressed with their products back to back. And they as a brand have like listened to customer feedback, taken it in, and have been coming up with really good products which I'm really impressed with. So this is the Plum Body Oil in the Vanilla Vibes variant. I think they have another variant as well, but I wanted something vanilla. I like it. I like to smell like a cake shop. Yeah, so I got this one. It's not a very strong vanilla scent, but it's kind of subtle. It's really nice. And this is the body oil I have right now as well. It's a nice oil to tackle the dryness on your body, or if you wanted to use this when you're wearing like dresses and everything and you wanted like a little bit of a glow to your skin but not smelling like coconut oil, you can try this one out. I really like it. The scent does linger on for a while, and it's a really nice scent. It's very subtle. It's a really nice body oil. I have got this pretty recently, I'm not going to deny that, and ever since I've got this is the one product that I've been using, and it looks like I haven't used much because you just need very little amount of it. Like for your arms and legs, you just need very little amount of it. I could use it for the rest of my body, but no, just arms and legs, that kind of girl, until like my whole body is like itchy. Then I'll be like, oh, I gotta moisturize my tummy, my back and everything. So the next product we have, it's also from Plum. Are you guys bugged just yet? We have another product as well, just giving you guys a heads up there. I've been really loving their products. What can I say? So this one is the Plum Body Lovin' Deodorizing Pit Cream, and this one is their Hawaiian Roomba variant. And oh my god, the smell of this, I was like, okay, is this going to be something that's going to make me smell like I have body odor? Because some products do that. I got the Vulva Rose and Vanilla deodorant, and it was really working very well for me. But on certain days, it used to contribute to the body odor and make me smell a little bit different. And the packaging of those kind of deodorants are a little bit inconvenient for me because I tend to push out a lot of product and then they just scoop up on my underarm area, and then kind of mess up my clothes as well. This one is of the similar consistency of that as well. It's not anywhere different, and it does have that kind of like a thick waxy feel, but you can scoop this out with a spatula that they give, or I just use my fingers because I don't have the patience for it. And it hopefully would not go rancid really fast because it does contain potassium sorbate in it, like sodium benzoate and potassium sorbate. So yeah, I'm not completely okay with preservative-free products, because they don't have a really long shelf life. So these products especially, I feel like they would go bad really fast because you would probably keep them in your bathroom, and all of that humidity and you constantly putting your finger in might make the product go bad really fast. So I'm okay with that, and I just take a very little amount of it, like tiny scoop, like this much, and just rub it on my underarm area, and oh my god, you guys, it smells divine. And it is really deodorizing because I've worn this with sleeveless outfits. I've worn this on this kind of polyester viscose material, and it doesn't smell bad at all. So I am really impressed, and it was such an affordable product, and you get a quantity of 50 grams, which is great. So like I mentioned, there is just one last Plum product, and trust me, again, you would want to hear my review about this product. This one is the Plum Vitamin C Serum. So this has 15% vitamin C, and the derivative of vitamin C that is present in this is ethyl ascorbic acid. I have tried out quite a lot of vitamin C serums, and this is the only one that I've actually fallen in love with. And this is by no means sponsored by Plum, although I wish they did. No harm in wishing for something, but yeah, this has worked wonders for my skin. And it has, like, I had this kind of like unevenness in my skin. My skin was starting to look a little bit dull. It happens to me during the winter season, and this serum has been working really well. My skin tone looks a little bit brighter. It hasn't worked that much on like my dark spots or hyperpigmentation. Like, I think I have to give it a little bit more time because it's not been that long since I've been using this. I've given it like about 2 weeks of usage, and I have used it almost every single day. But I would like to give it some more time to see how it exactly works. But so far, I have been really loving the results. That dullness from my face, I can see that my complexion looks a little bit more brighter. It looks a little bit more even, and it looks awake. That's what I'm getting at. Sometimes you just look dull and sick. It doesn't make you look like that. I really like that. And then we have two micellar water. I'm not talking about this in any order. I'm just going in random orders. I like both of these. I'm not able to choose because I use both of this. One I keep it in my studio right here, and one in my bathroom, because there are times when I would want to like take off my makeup in my bathroom as well. So I really like this. This one I feel like you do get a lot of quantity. You get 400 ml, and this one retails for 349 rupees, so you do get more quantity for the price, but this one you get 100 ml of product, and it is for I think 349 or 399, something like that. So it is a little bit more pricier, but this one would work really well if you have sensitive acne prone skin, and your skin is really sensitive to most products and you tend to break out really fast. So you don't want to experiment with any product, then definitely stick to this because it is good for really sensitive skin and acne prone skin. But if you don't have any such issues and you want more quantity, more value for money. And then moving on to face wash. I'm not someone who just talk about a face wash just like that. Of course, in a skincare video, I would include face washes, what has worked for me, what has not worked for me. But just like that, randomly, if I had to include something, it had to be this, because of this thing, the brush that is there on the face wash. So this one is the Pilgrim Secrets of Jeju Island Volcanic Lava Ash Foaming Face Wash. One thing, it does foam pretty well. It takes off any makeup residue on your face, and this brush is super gentle, and it does help in like giving you that gentle massage. And you can actually, like, if it's set any makeup residue settling on your face, it does remove every bit of it, and it has sort of like a cooling sensation on your skin, and it just cleanses your face really well, and without leaving your face looking a little bit too dry or dull and like stripped off the moisture, nothing like that. But with this one, I just have to go about my entire face just once, and it's super clean and super handy and easy. And I have traveled with this as well. It's not like it leaks and it kind of messes up everything. It does nothing of that sort. So I really like this face wash, and it's really easy, convenient, and it retails for 345 rupees, and I think you can find it on discount as well most of the times. And then another random product, like I warned you guys right in the beginning that this had multiple categories, so I just had to include it. So this one is the Colgate Visible White toothpaste. So I got this randomly after seeing a lot of videos, so I was like, okay, is this really gonna work? So let me get this off like straight. It's not going to give you like super white teeth, but if you had a little bit of like a yellow tint on your teeth, and you know, we drink a lot of tea, coffee, and so many things, and you just wanted something to like brighten it up a little bit and like slowly and steady, and I feel like it does work pretty well for me. So yeah. And then we have two perfumes I want to talk to you guys about. This one is the Chumbak Woodland Breeze perfume. They have a full size of this that retails for 1995, and you get 100 ml. This 495 rupees, and you get 15 ml of product. I really love the scent of this, but it is quite subtle. I'm okay with that. Fragrance note of this is raspberry, pomegranate, blackcurrant. So it's sort of like a fruity scent, and not something that is overpowering. I don't know how to explain this. Yeah, great. But it's very nice and subtle, and it does linger for quite some time. I do feel, however, that the full size of this product does linger for a longer amount of time as compared to this one, but it's such a nice fragrance, you guys. I did get the other variant as well. I did really like that, but this one did stand out to me. And then another super affordable one that I got is this Hiba Raindrops Pure Perfume. So this retails for 299, but I remember not paying that full price. So that's the reason I always ask you guys to pick up products on sale, because you save a little bit more money. And I'm so glad that they actually put that effort into the packaging. It looks really nice. And this is what the perfume looks like. So it's a rollerball sort of a packaging. So this one smells exactly like the Davidoff Cool Water, the women's perfume. Such an amazing scent. It lingers for a really long time, and it's alcohol free. But so if you don't really like alcohol in your perfume, you can try this. And it's such a nice aqua scent, but aqua with a hint of sweetness. It makes you smell fresh throughout the day, and it just feels really nice and fresh. It's a very nice, fresh daytime kind of a scent. So if you have a long day and you want to smell fresh, and you also want a little bit like awakening moment with a fragrance, definitely get this one. It's so nice, and I'm so glad I actually picked this one up. I was eyeing their perfumes for quite a bit. I didn't know which one to pick, so finally I did resort to this because I am someone who really likes aqua scents as well. I do like floral sweet scents and fruity scents, and I also like aqua. And then the last product which I had to actually get up and go and get it, this one is the Lotus Organics Precious Brightening Cleansing Balm, and this has a really nice texture to it. Most of the cleansing balms during winter solidifies, and it just makes it really hard for you to apply it on your skin. It sometimes tugs and pulls. Even it happens to me with the Clinique Take the Day Off cleansing balm as well. But this one, look at it. It's winter right now, right? And look at the texture of it. It's one of the best cleansing balms that I have tried out. I of course do love a lot of cleansing balms, but I do really like this one as well, and it's a recent discovery, and I have been enjoying using this. So if you guys wanted to try out a really nice cleansing balm, something that doesn't leave like a thick residue in your eye, something that doesn't really like tug and pull on your skin, something that doesn't burn your eye, you should check this one out. You don't really get a lot of quantity for the price. It is 50 grams of product for 645 rupees, and you can find it on discount most of the times. I've seen that you can find this one on discount for around 550 rupees, so I didn't want to let it out of this video. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Let me know what are some amazing recent discoveries in like miscellaneous categories. I don't really want to know about makeup because we will be talking about that in the next couple of videos as well, but in like body care, perfumes, hair care, any of those categories, if you have discovered some new products that you have been loving, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be really interested to read that, and I think it would help a lot of people as well. So yeah, while you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
It's December again, I can't believe